First of all, gold analysis machines operate using XRF X-ray fluorescence radiation. In these analyzers, detector quality is extremely important. American-made Amtech silicon pin detectors, C-pin, silicon drift detectors, SDD, and fast silicon drift detectors, FSDD, are among the most reliable options designed for the jewelry industry. The X-ray tube should be made of beryllium. Compared to aluminum tubes, it provides higher light transmission, enabling clearer and more precise analysis. The reading angles of X-ray beams can be 45 or 90. For jewelry applications, a 90 configuration is preferred because it better analyzes the inner layers of materials and delivers more accurate results for plated products. The optimal test duration for gold analyzers is 1 minute. Within this time, an Amtech C-pin detector sends 20,000 X-ray pulses per minute to the sample and calculates an average from these results to provide an accurate reading. Collimator diameter is another critical factor. The smaller the diameter, the smaller the surface area that can be tested. For example, while some devices can analyze pieces as small as 2 to 2.5 millimeters, a high-quality collimator can test pieces as small as 1.2 millimeters, improving result accuracy. One of the most misleading factors in the industry is plated products. Analysis devices can evaluate coatings up to a maximum thickness of 0.3 millimeters, 30 microns. For thicker coatings, results become unreliable. Testing products from both sides is important, and, if possible, suspicious items should be cut and analyzed internally. An Amtech SDD detector sends 80,000 X-ray pulses per minute and averages these readings to deliver highly precise results. The error rate for SDD and FSDD detectors is approximately 0.1%, meaning about 99.9% accuracy. For C-pin detectors, the error rate is around 0.3%, corresponding to 99.7% accuracy. Proper installation of the machines, housing and cover, is essential. Well-insulated machines produce SAR levels comparable to that of a mobile phone, minimizing potential health effects. Gold analysis machines can test elements within a certain range. Devices used in the jewelry sector typically analyze around 20 elements. Additional elements can be added if needed, but the machines must be recalibrated accordingly. We strongly advise you to pay attention to these specifications when purchasing an analysis machine.